in here.
Holy shit, we at the soap factory. We just went up the stairs, and there is no up the stairs. Oh shit. This shit is sweet as fuck though. Dang. I got away from the windows because people are driving by, they can see us. Shit. Hey yo, look at this fucking thing. Damn. What the fuck is this? Let's not get out to find the way. What's in this hallway? Oh shit, there are more stairs. People were.
Come back.
Don't let the door slam. Cause that dude is here. He's guarding it with his dogs. Damn. Holy shit. East Dayton is lit as. Oh shit, there's way more stuff over here. Oh my god, yo, look how much soap there is. Yo, there's. Hey, let me go. I bet that this soap is like 100 years
It
old.
doesn't smell good. It smells like soap.